As the crowd gathers round, baby, your name.
Okay, let's get in here and get some good samples, give them good wings.
Next, tests will be run to determine whether these are the dreaded killer bees.
Killa Bee.
Something no one in their right mind would ever want to do. To sight a swarm of angry killer bees, thousands of killer bees came swooping out of the sky and began their violent attack.
Bee rhyming on mountains, burning the forest down. Chuck with a spear, now revolve like all our crowns. We sting like white horse up in your nose, or black talons from desert eagles that scrape your bones. Needles to an arm when tracks came through veins. On tracks that we run trains. Each wheel spin well, stay in one lane, stay in gun aim postures. A murderous rhyme school with you in the crosshairs. I slice off ears if I'm not verse of the month. I'm purposely numb. I suffer from a curse of the young. Slurping up rum, burning up slums, smirking at guns, dirty as guns, tossed in the murkiest ponds. My thoughts work the earth's weight in the purple as dimes. I should shine enough to sit on thrones of landmines. Moving with Michigan militia. Bullets, rhymes, dogs, or criminals might hit ya. Stinging precision with a sawed-off paragraph. Reduce a green bee into a bubble strawberry bath. #1 Miller draft pick. Killa Bee drastic. Amical rhyme, chemical flow. Cement jungle habit. Killa Bee,
I'm still
nigga.
tripping off of Bishop when he shot Raheem. I pop off 16s like Glock 16s. Bank stop the guap, this mine's for the taking. My team all gunners, we whip 4 runners. We wild out, pull out the Nick Cannon on you. I warned you, my Killa Bee gang niggas will swarm you. We outlaws who don't give a fuck about the mayor. Black rebels coughing on sour. The mighty dollar is the power. Blackout, goons coming all different shapes. Orangutan, gorilla niggas beat up apes. Old school, new school, man, I dropped out. I learned when that band come around, they hop out. I been iller, I send killers with chinchillas. Then laugh at it back at the crib like Ben Stiller.
Hey, yo, goddamn, my verbal cannon spraying like Windex. Killer insect swarm with poison out the index. Reflex like a hero, chillin' sub-zero. Mingling with thieves that siphon out De Niro. Oil for your ear hole, we massacre your nations. Grazing off the track, lost legends out the ancients. Tainted vocals, Agent Orange up your socials. Wars with the almighty, tearing down your coastal. Global attacks, shooting missiles at your fortress. Take off the mask and give knowledge to the orphans. Enormous like Goliath, live with street science. I'm gunning down your man with a 6-shot appliance. Murderous raps, turning mics into artifacts. We set traps that nibble your weak raps. Anthrax wax, burning cracks through your shields. Killer bees all on your battlefield.
This great Turkish lord, crescent-shaped sword, the weapons of war, his brothers adored, the legend that swore by blood oath, standing on the enemy's coat, which was the double-headed cobra, in the beak of a vulture, could speak to a culture, his speech was vulgar, the two-faced apple parted the air, to put his heart in the pear, the covenant of the ark was near, the horse stood on his hind legs, outside of the grave, where your highness was slain, 1 million hunchback to form face warriors attack, the Philistines visiting, pagan helmet was cracked.
Killer bees continue to conquer new land. We must all adapt to life with this predator, or risk a deadly encounter with a lethal swarm. The truly scary fact about killer bees is that no matter how careful we are, you can be at risk almost anywhere. Their venom is potent. The number of stings make them so lethal. Do you know how to survive a killer bee attack? There are things you should know that could save your life. If killer bees attack, there are 4 rules to follow which could save your life. Run away as fast as you can. Cover your head. And seek shelter, such as inside a house or car. Whatever you do, do not jump in water. Killer bees will wait for you to surface.